Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about one of the serious vulnerabilities in web applications, and this vulnerability is called OS command injection. Command injection is one of the serious vulnerabilities because it triggers directly remote code execution on your application. The attacker is unlike other injections such as cross-site scripting, SQLi, gains direct access to web applications, and it's also being executed by the servers. Server which has some firmware or OS such as Debian or something else is directly executing command, and the command being executed by the Nginx, by any other related software. The command is going directly being executed, and this creates actual big security risk for everyone, because attacker no more needs to execute commands separately. They just adding commands and executing it. So this vulnerability is very serious, and it could appear in every web application where a web application does command execution. Now we'll be back. This is always command injection lab, simplest lab in PortSwigger's lab, and we may look at the products, look at something. So let's go ahead, and right now let's go HTTP request history, product ID, and many more. And in this product ID you may see that you may also suspect that this is SQLi or something else, but request type is very suspicious, get type, which is not usually doing. So let's try our first command. This means and, not pipe. In the Linux operating systems this is pipe and just executing ID. The product ID is bad. So okay, this means this now could be vulnerable. This is also one of the tricks, but you may try to brute force this thing. So let's go ahead and look for more details. Lab header, lab thing, sessions, payload, JavaScript. And here we may also check stock. Right now try to check stock, and our stock is here. So okay, right now we have been trying product ID and store ID. Right now let's try store ID, and as you can see command is being executed and we have user Peter. So you may see that how serious is our vulnerability. It has direct access to executing commands in your server background or somewhere else, and it could be used by attackers for many attacks, such as let's try to simplest commands ls. As you can see, there's one script, stock report, and this script actually used for educational purposes, and we may look into this script. Let's do it, cat, and we just need to encode the URL. And you may see that we have a right to read inside of the script, and do whatever we want. Like we are doing something simplest in Linux shell, so we have direct access to web applications, background, and everything. So that's why this vulnerability is very serious, and this vulnerability is also open store for many attacks. You may learn about this vulnerability in many other references. So thank you for watching.